Hi, today let's make super tasty egg pulao recipe. It will be done in 15 minutes. Very easy to make. In a cooker, add in some basic biryani spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, along with some cumin and fennel seeds. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Fry it really very well till the aroma is infused in the oil. Next, I'm adding in sliced onions and fry it really very well. Fry the onions till it is slightly pink, and that time you need to add in ginger garlic paste and then fry it together till the raw smell goes. Once the onion and the ginger garlic paste is nicely sorted, I'm adding in chopped fresh methi leaves along with some mint leaves, and then give it a good mix. Methi leaves and mint leaves doesn't take long time to cook. Just when you feel it's cooked a bit at this stage, what I'll be doing is I'll be adding in some green chilies. If you like your pulao to be spicy, you can increase the green chilies. Toss it really very well. Next, I'll be adding in chopped tomatoes, and again toss it, mix it really very well till the tomatoes turn slightly mushy and is beautifully combined with all the spices. Next, I'll be adding in some salt to taste, and again give it a good mix, and then I'll be adding in curd. Once you add the curd, again mix it really very well so that the curd, masalas, all the veggies are beautifully mixed together. Next, I'm adding in hot water. Here I'm adding in 2 cups of hot water because I'm adding in 1 cup of rice. You need to let the water boil like this. When the water starts boiling like this, that is the time you need to add in cleaned and washed rice. You can add any kind of rice. Next, I'm adding in boiled eggs. You need to slit the eggs like this. Put small slits like this and drop it into the cooker like this, and then add in some fresh coriander leaves and just give 1 whistle, and your super tasty, simple, easy egg pulao is ready. It's very good for your lunch, dinner, tiffin, or just quick recipes for bachelor students, everyone. I would definitely recommend you to try this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.